everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you something absolutely mouth-watering. My stir-fried pepper chicken sauce served with some soft fluffy boiled yam. Trust me, this one is going to turn your head around. Let's get started, guys. Let's start with our chicken. I am using some well-cleaned chicken pieces and I will season it with a mix of salt, seasoning cubes, garlic, ginger, onion, thyme, and a touch of curry for that aroma we all love. Chicken is cooking. Let's prepare the heart of this dish, the pepper mix. I've got some red bell peppers, scotch bonnets, onion, and I'm going to blend it roughly. We don't want it too smooth because we are going for that nice chunky stir-fry texture. I'll boil some yam cubes in salted water until they are soft and fluffy. Simple but the perfect partner for our spicy chicken sauce. Our chicken is ready. Let's transfer it into the oven until it is golden and crispy on the outside. I'll go in with my olive oil. Then I will add my pepper mix. I will cook it for about 10 minutes while stir-frying occasionally until the oil begins to separate. I will season again and add some fresh green spices for some more aroma and garnishing. Now the best part is here. Come closer, let's serve it together. I'm pairing my stir-fried pepper chicken sauce with these tender yam slices. Look at the combination, guys. The color, the texture, so pure and delicious. Yum yum, spicy, rich, and perfectly balanced. The yam soaks up that peppery goodness. Absolutely heavenly. Thanks guys for staying tuned. If you love this video, give us a thumb up.